In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add values in Smartsheet. Whether you're new to Smartsheet or just looking to brush up on your skills, I'll guide you through entering or editing data directly into your sheets with ease and confidence. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about entering a value in a cell. It's simple, just single-click on the cell where you want to input your data. Once you've clicked, start typing. This action will replace any existing content within that cell with whatever new value you enter. It's an intuitive process, almost like editing a document or a spreadsheet in other applications. Remember, clicking a single time highlights the cell and allows you to start your work immediately. Now, you might be wondering what happens if there's already information in that cell you don't want to lose. Not to worry, because it's an easy fix. If you just want to make a small change rather than replace the whole content of the cell, you'll need to edit the value. To do this, you'll double-click on the desired cell. Alternatively, if you prefer using your keyboard, press the F2 key. Both actions allow you to initiate edits without completely overwriting your existing data. Once you're in edit mode, you can make your changes. Whether you're correcting a typo, adding more information, or updating figures, this is where you'll do it. When you finish making your edits, press Enter to save what you've changed. This step is crucial because pressing Enter not only saves your changes, but also exits the edit mode, giving you a clean viewing experience of your updated cell. A few tips to keep in mind as you work in Smartsheet. First, if you're entering a large amount of data, make sure to work systematically. This approach can prevent errors and make your process more efficient. Regularly save your work, even though Smartsheet often auto-saves. It's good practice to ensure you don't lose any changes. Also, utilize the undo function if you ever make a mistake. It can be a lifesaver if you realize you'd like to revert to previous data without manually typing it all back in. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to effortlessly manage data within your Smartsheet projects. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, and with these techniques, you'll maximize your productivity and accuracy with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made your data entry process a breeze. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on using Smartsheet effectively. Until next time, happy organizing!